Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155. Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Menteri Rang Baka Jelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula Kyntait war baka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala Shim dakaram ka bakatsan hajar klur na kabentaban Pyntreikam ya ka scheme focus bat ka scheme focus plus kumbala mi ki jingsya kno hagi sengsan perthai hakini ki Kyntait sngi hagi jing kren bat kilat pathai kubor Menteri Rang Ba ula ong ba baro ki jing kno ki long ki babakla bat ki bumdan nongrim hai ruem Ula ong ru baka jing Pyntreikam ya ka focus, bat ya ka focus plus, kala kot tang kumba sau spak lor tengka, bat kam Shim lapoi satia haduk khatsan spak lor kumbala don ki bakeno.
I don't know who made the comment, but whoever's made the comment has not understood how government functions and how the finances are managed. For any government, number one, it's completely wrong. So let me just state that. It's completely wrong. Number one, that the entire fund allocated for this, for the Focus and the Focus Plus is coming up to about 400 plus crores. So it's not touching 1500 crores at all. That's number one. And that too only when we reach the max of 4.5 lakh families, when we're able to cover all of them, because we require each one of them to submit documents, papers, so many in the processes are there. So hence the process is moving forward. So when we have reached the max of 4.5 lakh families, that's when the impact will be 400 plus crores, about 450 crores. So therefore, 1500 is a completely wrong number. That's number one. Number two, when government functions, we have different sources of funds that are flowing in, whether it's our own taxes, whether it's the budget provisions for the loans that we take, or whether it's the central taxes, or whether it is externally aided projects. So there are different sources that come in. So therefore, one has to understand that once this entire thing comes in, and from different sources, then government accordingly then budgets and allocates funds. So therefore, making an allegation like this, saying that we just took 1500 crores and paid it for this is completely wrong. And as I said, one has not understood how government budgeting happens and government spending happens. It's sad to say that helping poor people and helping the farmers is being looked at as an election agenda. It's very sad. Whoever has made this comment has not understood that these are farmers. These are people who need to be helped, and government is helping them, which should have been done a long time back. So therefore, number one, the perception itself, whoever has given this has clearly not understood the sentiments of the poor people and the sentiments of the farmers. If you go and speak to the farmers today and you hear the testimonies that they're giving, they will be telling you how this money is benefiting them to be able to raise their livelihood, to be able to take up small businesses and small works that they can do with their groups, and it's making a huge impact at the grassroots level. Number two, this entire program started almost a year and a half back. This started in 2021, and therefore, it's completely wrong for anybody to say that this is an election agenda, because if that was the case, then we would have started distributing now. But for the information of everybody, I had launched this about a year and a half back when I was in Tura. And from there, I can't remember the exact date, but it was a year and a half back. So it's a long process that started a long time back. So I think connecting it to elections is completely wrong. And as I said, it's also being insensitive to the needs of the farmers.